Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another live stream. We are so back once again. It is a bit of a weird time to stream, but just wanted to make this spontaneous as fuck. So yeah, welcome everybody. Welcome to the stream. I am expecting some new people in the stream because I don't usually stream at this hour. Maybe some people who are not able to watch me during night will tune in. Hopefully, we'll see about that. Hello, Senior Galvin, my man. How's it going? Coded Studio. So yeah, we're gonna just do some coding today and also some maintenance and related things. So yeah. As you can see, we still have the sunlight. It is like still out there, and I don't know. It feels a bit weird to actually stream at this hour, but whatever. So guys, tell me about how are you doing? Is everything fine over there? Are you grinding? That's the most important question. If you're not grinding, please leave the stream and leave me alone on this stream because I'm gonna grind so hard today. Famous last words. But yeah, feel free to just jump in, ask questions, talk shit in the chat. I don't care. I care, but yeah, as long as you're grinding, everything is free in the stream. Good to know. Coded Studio. What are you coding? Coded Studio. Hello. Vitaly, welcome. Grinding as always, man. Absolutely. Started grinding Rust. That's great. If I was okay, maybe I can just talk about what I'm doing in the stream in detail. I mean, a bit more in detail, because that might help you. Hopefully, I don't know. We'll see about that. Let's just jump right into it, guys. We're gonna just jump right into the grind because that's what we're doing. So, I have Gitcliff on my hands as of now. I'm gonna do a little bit of a warm-up. You know, everything needs a warm-up, you know, while you're working out or like while you're practicing something. You gotta just warm up. So I'm just gonna do a little warm-up here. I'm gonna start by fixing the CI. Yes, that's my warm-up. Something's failing. Let's just see what is failing. Let me actually pull up the code base. Let me pull the changes over here. So, some links are failing. Too many redirects are following redirect URL. Well, Docker Hub is failing. That should be just easy to fix. Just ignore it. Yeah, that's how I do things. If something's failing, just ignore it. But I mean, yeah, this link is just redirecting for some reason to login repository. Wait, what? I think that URL is just wrong. Hold on. It should be not repository. Oh yeah, that's why. So this URL should be dash, no, not dash, slash repository, not, no, slash r, not repository. Okay, just fix that link and we're good. It's in release MD. Let's go to release MD. Client Grammarly. I'm not even using Grammarly. I don't know why I have the plugin. Actually, while I'm at it, let me just remove that plugin because I don't even use it. Mason. Okay, I gotta find Grammarly now. Is it a linter? Yes, I guess so. Or maybe LSP. Grammarly language server. Yeah, I gotta remove that. How do I remove that actually? Control uninstall is uppercase X. Okay, let's do that. Grammarly uppercase X, and it's gone. Okay, we won't get any warnings from now on. Cool. All right. So I guess we're gonna just Update this link. Fix Docker hub URL. Docker hub. How do I even like type this? Docker hub. Okay. I should get rid of this GPG signing stuff. I just gotta get like a YubiKey or something like that. It's very annoying. Anyone using any signing device? What is this called again? Not signing device, but like, you know, what is YubiKey called actually? Not U-Bike. What is that? Yeah, YubiKey. Yeah, authentication device. Yeah, I gotta get one of these. It doesn't feel very secure to just type in my password in the terminal. Not that I don't trust terminal, but you get what I mean. All right, let's push to the main. I'm hoping to get a green CI after this point. Go green, you know. All right, I'm not gonna wait for it actually. I'm just gonna keep moving here because we have lots of things to do as always. In these streams I usually pick something that I need to do and then I explain it and then I just like keep working on it and stuff. So yeah, it might come off a bit random, but it is what it is. I'm just doing maintenance, so yeah. All right. There's one issue that I need to reply over here. Support separating breaking changes from other changes. Yeah, you can override the scope. Alright, that should be enough for confirmation. Alright, I'm just gonna go through my list of things to do. We have a PR on one of my packages. Let's see. Fix deprecation warning of image magic. Oh. Alright, this looks good to me. Just changing the command. So approve, merge, and then I gotta pull this package to build it again. Yazi. Anyone using Yazi? It's a nice file manager. Git pull. I was thinking of switching to it for some time. This is what it looks like because I want to use Helix, you know. Is it like Helix? Yeah. But Helix does not have the file explorer, and some people actually put together some Zelish configs to use Yazzie in Helix, but that's a bit of a, you know, hacking. So yeah, not sure. Maybe I'll switch to it sometime in the future. But I gotta get used to the Helix key bindings then, because I heard that it's a bit different from them Vim. But let's see. So this has been pulled. Cannot pull girls, but I can pull some comments from remotes. You know how it is. Convert. Alright, so we can build this. Oh, the CI just failed. What happened? CI just failed. What? Fixtures, bumped version. What? That's not good. This job failed. Give me some details, bro. What is this? Internal error. I mean, what? Just run the failed one. Log tests. What is going on with the GitHub Actions? Is it like... Is it down or something? No, it's just normal. I don't know. It's weird. I mean, I didn't even change anything related to this fixture, so it's a bit weird that it failed. So I can just blame GitHub in this case, which I just did. But yeah. Alright. I have changed some key bindings on Helix to Vim. Was it like painful to switch to Helix? Because I mean, yeah, it has like a different approach to the key bindings, I heard. So I don't know. If it's not like if it is a smooth transition, I can just make this switch someday. Alright, let me actually try to use Helix in this stream. Well, yeah. Alright, I can just use Control N and Control P here. That's good. How do I open up the file explorer? The menu that I just saw. What is this called again? File something. What is this? Select. Fuzzy. Find. Okay, Helix file explorer or something. Tree view. File picker. So is it like picker? X to select. It's so painful for my muscle memory. X to select. Wow, really? X to select is be weird. But how do I open up the picker? Key maps. File picker. F. So, oh, space and where's F, bro? Open file picker F. Alright, okay. This is not bad actually. This is quite ergonomic because space is also what I use in Vim. Open file picker. So open file picker, open buffer picker, jump list, symbols, code action, window, split, show docs for the item under cursor, rename symbol. Well, this is this is quite quite good. I mean, I can just use Helix, try to use Helix in this stream, just to see how it feels. But yeah, we should have green CI now. What is going on? I just wanna green CI. Alright, the next thing that I'm gonna do, so in Ratatouille we're cooking up a release, right? And we are using release please now, which then uses gitclif for changelog generation. But in the generated changelog, we have some commits like, let me just show it to you. Yeah, some commits like this, basically 000, right? So yeah, we want to just skip those in the changelog, because I mean, yeah, but this is not really needed. So I'll basically update the changelog config now in Ratatouille. Ratatouille widgets, check out main, pull changes. Okay, now Helix time. Helix, file picker, cliff tomo. Alright, I can just use HJKL as like the normal Vim movements. That's good. It also supports Control D and Control U. That's also great. Okay, this has just built. Let me just push this to the repos. Okay, can I just type release package? Avoid deprecation warning for image magic. Yeah, that's good. Alright, yeah, we basically gonna go ahead and do something like here. Let me actually pull up the documentation for gitclif. In case you don't know, it's a nice change of automation tool. I don't have my moderators in the chat today, so I'm just gonna do my own moderation duties, which is just sending a link to the chat. Very historic, man. But anyways, we're just doing a little chill stream, spontaneous stream, so I don't mind. I like this song a lot for some reason. What is this song? It's a nice mix too. Okay, so going ahead into the documentation, we need to check out usage, not usage, but like, okay, I gotta go to the configuration, git, commit parsers. And here I wanna like skip the 000 commits, right? So something like this. Well, yeah, this is not like the long form though, like this is just 000. Let me actually pull up the release please source code and see where this is being set. Also, this is another good way of testing out Helix, because I want to search for some symbols now. Not symbols, but words. So how do I do that? Search. Helix search. Not this. Not this thing. What is this? Okay, this is like entirely different than what I was searching, but anyways. Space and slash. Global search in workspace folder. Okay, thank you. Thanks for the help. FN Joe. I appreciate it. Yeah, okay. For some reason this box is looking so ugly. But anyways, We're gonna search for 0000. Okay, this is actually just a 7 characters. Yeah. Well, then we cannot really use this config because this is accepting SHA-1, not like the short form of commits. It's a bit bad. But okay. There's supposed to be another ignore skipping commits, yeah. Nope. This is all just SHA-1. Oh wait, it should be at least 7 characters long to avoid a panic in Gitcliff. Gitcliff assumes it's a valid commit ID. Well, this is a bug in release please and indirectly a bug from Gitcliff. That's a bit of an interesting circular dependency situation. But okay. Well, I guess what we're gonna do is, oh, what did I do? We can do some like, can I just yank this line? How do I paste it? It's a bit hard to, yeah. Okay, that kind of worked. I'm struggling to type in Helix. Control C is not mapped to exit mode. That's why. Okay, not message, but it's gonna be some like oh my god, this is so hard. I'm trying to like basically press C and W to change the word, but it doesn't work. C, okay, I made it. Field, oh my, what is, okay, field, and I guess ID is what I'm looking for. Field ID. Oh, this is so hard. Pat, why is this now highlighted? Maybe you should use evil helix. What is evil helix, dude? What is this? And why I have like my CPU just spiked. Hold on. I'm probably just trying to compile release please, which is also compiling cargo. I gotta just kill everything here. Alright. Cargo. I don't want to run cargo. Okay, everything has been killed. I hope I'm not lagging right now. Bringing Helix editor to the evil side. A soft fork Helix which introduces Vim key bindings and more. Damn. It is an AUR too. I'm so tired, boss. Hey, my man. Lucas, welcome. Why are you tired? Keep grinding. This is really nice. I'm gonna save it. Hold on. Because I'm very used to the Vim key bindings, so... yeah. Stable enough for daily usage. What is this exactly? Is this just a config, or like the whole project just forked? Yeah, it's just the whole project being forked here. Not great, but okay. Never ending grind. Dude, yeah. I know that feeling. It never ends, but gotta be happy because it's still lasting, you know? It feels like you're still alive while you're grinding. Yeah, this is like okay, but like it's yeah, the concerning part about this project is that it has been updated 2 months ago. So I'm not sure. I can give it a try though. I can basically go to let me just build it here. Evil helix. Oh, it's a binary. Okay, then I can just install it. Famous last words before I get a ransomware on my computer. What am I doing? Alright, let me just install this ransomware. This is basic config with Vim key binding. But I mean, it doesn't look like it's just like a whole fork of Helix, it seems like. I wish there was just more detail. Oh, there's some detail. Compatible with the rebased. Project goals. Consider a better name for this project. Love it. I think the name. Okay, I get a little disconnection issue, but I should be back now. I was basically saying that the naming is just great. I don't know, why would you rename this? What happened? Helix, they're in conflict. Why? They're just two different binaries. I don't get it. But okay, I'll just remove Helix then. That's fine. Let me just remove Helix. Maybe it's because the binary names are just the same. No, they're not the same. Then why are they just conflicting? And why am I getting these Pacman errors? Anyways, evil Helix. What's the binary name, dog? Is it HX? This is what happens when you don't review the package. It's HX. Helix runtime. Okay. HX. You know what? Whatever. I'm just gonna like use Helix and try to learn it. I'm just gonna remove this one. It's just too much pain in the long term, I think. Just install Helix. Yes. Anyways, I think we can go ahead and do something like this here. 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lucas, how's your startup going, man? When are we getting rich? I know that you're doing some AI stuff these days, so yeah, you know how it is. Group. Just gonna skip through. Skip. True. Alright, just save. Actually, do we want to skip these? I mean, what's the benefit of having an entry like this in the changelog? I guess there isn't much of a benefit because it's like just about the changelog itself. But okay, let me actually try this out. Config, just use this config with the unreleased changes. Okay, it seems to be working. Let me actually skip this commit right here to make sure. Not this one, hold on. Hello, Chromit. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing? Alright, I gotta skip something, dude. I gotta decide. So use IO error something. Okay, let me just skip that one to see if it's actually working. And I'm a bit like overwhelmed by Helix already because nothing works. My muscle memory is not compatible with Helix. I just copy the first 7 characters. Yeah, there we go. I'll try to paste. That worked. Oh my god. Okay. That also worked. Cool. Selection save the jump list. No, I didn't want to do that. I was trying to save the file. That didn't work. Use IO error other. Maybe I need to do this. Okay, field ID. Actually, release. Need to open the file picker. Release RS. Oh, you're in Ratatouille right now. Oh, that makes sense. I was just running this in the wrong repo. How do I copy from Helix outside to my clipboard? Okay, I don't know how to do that. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop my Helix grind for a second for the sake of speeding things up. And I'm gonna go here. Okay, I just copied this to the wrong file again. It should be in here. Okay, that finally worked. So that's cool. But I gotta test if I need to use the oh my god, this is so it took it took more time than I was expecting actually. 3, 6, 7. Okay, I'm gonna remove one of the zeros. Still failing. What? Space and question mark to see help. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have quit so early. I feel bad now. Field is like, okay, this should be just work fine, no? Yeah, okay, I think yeah, this is working fine. Remove the asterisk, that's working still fine. So okay, I think I'm sure that this is a good solution now. I'm gonna just exit, and gonna do where am I right now? In Ratatouille. Cool. Gonna change that to 7 zeros. Skip zeros in changelog. Alright. Skip release placeholder commits in changelog. I need to add an explanation of what this is. Release please adds as a placeholder for release commits. It is a bit funny because release please adds that because of gitcliff, I think, and now we're skipping that commit in gitcliff. So it's just a full circle. Everything goes in full circle. You know, the snake eating its own tail. This is what we're seeing right now. This is what we're seeing. Alright, I'm gonna just git push to my origin and no verify because I'm just a gangster. I don't care. I'm just a ghetto. I didn't man the comments. Force and no verify. Illegal usage of git over here. I know. Create pull request. Alright, that's cool. Got that out of the way. Thanks for the suggestion of Evil Helix. I didn't know about that one. It's a pretty good discovery for me. Alright, we got a package update. Speaking of release please just got an update, so let's actually update that. Because I'm curious what has changed. We are now a user of release please. I remember seeing something about gitcliff in there. So it's once again the snake eating its own tail. All right. Document GitLab support and use gitcliff to expand the PR link. If you you want to expand PR number. I don't think I've ever hit this case. Well, anyways, does gitcliff already have GitLab support? Yes. You can just configure it in GitLab too. Caleb just jumped on my package and now he's maintaining it. Okay, thank you, I guess. Alright. We get some issue comments. So we're trying to like add some module recursion support, which means now we can also generate a changelog for the sub modules. It's quite an interesting case, but let's see what has changed here. Let me read this. It's a bit of a deep topic over here. I'll probably explore the comments between. I'm stuck at how to ask libgit2 to get me the file contents. Okay, what does that mean? Okay, I see now. So the question is, you have the diff and git2 changed files. Yeah, so you have the diff. Or what do we have actually? Let's see. Diff3 to tree. Deltas. So diff is just diff. Alright, so diff. You want to get the contents. Interesting. So you want to go from diff to the submodule, but how is that even possible here? You can get the deltas. Diff file. Diff delta. Not sure if it would be possible to get this submodule information from a diff. Actually, git2 has some examples for stuff like these. You can just check out the examples. Libgit2, no, git2 rs. Alright. Let me pull this. Examples. Diff. Diff options. Resolved to blob. Interesting. So this doesn't have anything like that. Maybe we need to take a look at the log, because log is actually showing the diff. So not the diff, but you know what I mean, like the contents. Okay, there you go. Diff to tree. Diff print. Diff print. Okay, I think I found it. If I go to diff print, not sure how it is possible. We possibly get something from a diff, but here's how you can. But it is possible to get the file contents via calling diff div print. Also filter by here's an example from Git2 examples. Yeah, Git2. Okay. Let me check the contents of this change, because it's something's changed. So I can pull this change to my local environment and try it out probably. Git check out this branch. Cool. Okay, great. Oh no. What is going on? Let me check this out. Which line is this again? 300. Alright. Commit get some module updates. Get some module updates. No method named what? It's right here, bro. What the hell is going on? I just got this error and then I get another error here. What happened? That's so weird. What the hell? Okay, am I hallucinating or something? Alright, let me actually pull to this branch again. Recurse submodules. It's right here. What do you mean it's not found? It's right here. Recurse submodules. What the hell, man? Something's really going wrong with my Rust analyzer. LSP restart. Is it because I'm using nightly? I hope not. Because I mean, why? Doesn't make sense to me. Like, what? Oh, maybe I need to... Cliff core. Yeah, I need to rebuild this, that's why. It's a bit weird though. Like, I would expect Rust Analyzer to pick that up and build it for me. Alright, missing documentation, that's fine. Now we're talking. No, now we're not talking. Okay, we're talking. Something's escaping something. E. And modify, what is that function? Is this from hash map? So weird, like now it's back to the other error message again. Like what? Okay, anyways. I mean, look. I can literally jump to this function and it says that it's not found. Doesn't make sense to me. Anyways, I'll just look at the error and try to figure out. Repo borrow mute. LSP stop. What are you inserting? What is the submodule commits? It's a repository and commit. Why would you need that? This is like a very bad type. Let me actually ask this guy why he's doing that. Wait, where is it? Oh my god, so many box leaks. What is this code? Why do we have this complex? just single comment. Yeah, just some module recursion. Okay, that should be enough for this PR at least. I mean, it was good to dive into these abominations once again. I mean, look at this. What is this? For each, and then it's like hell. I don't even know what's going on in here. Like binary CB hunk. Wow, just wow. What is this? And this is not like, remember, this is not generated. Like this is actual written code. It's just a binding probably. But yeah, it's just yeah. Not much to say. Add option gets required conventional. Okay, basically I wanted to extend the fixtures system for asserting the expected output, but I guess that's like not really needed here. Improve test fixtures to assert on command output. This is okay. Copy link originally discussed in this place. Description. We have a test fixture mechanism to check the expected output for changelog generation. This works by running git cliff and then generating some commits, generating a changelog, and then asserting that against expected MD. We also, it would be also nice to assert the command output of logs as well. Desired solution. Extend the test fixtures mechanism to implement that. A snapshot like this. It might need a bit of research and tinkering. Alternatives considered? No alternatives has been considered. All right, create. I think this is testing. Why do we have a label for JavaScript? I don't even use JavaScript in this project. Is it for dependencies? It's not great. But anyways, actually I'm gonna go and edit the labels and add a maintenance or like testing related. I need a good color. This is good because it's shit, so it's like testing related. All right. Now testing. Okay. Lints are failing. Clippy. No, yeah, this is just if we rebase this, it's gonna be fine. So let me check out this branch. Just got a comment for my comment from earlier. All right, fixtures, labels. Let me just close all of these. Okay, gotta switch to this branch now. rebase main. I guess, yeah, that should be fine then. I cannot push to this branch, but should be fine. I want to test this out though. Yeah, all seems good to me here. I can run it again to make sure that everything works. Also, this closes one issue, but let me find which one actually. Require conventional. I'm sure there's one open issue about that PR specifically. Maybe it's also like a good first issue. Yep, this one. All right. Let's see if it's gonna fail now. There you go. I'm guessing like we can probably make this log output better by using a single line when the commit is not spreading across multiple lines. So let me find that code. It is not conventional. Yeah, so message lines map. Do we have a display implementation for this? What is message? Is it just a string? Yeah, okay. How about we just do this? So when the message is single line, we should see. Oh, it's not doing that. Okay, so something like this then. Yep. Initial commit, sign off. I think this is better because we're not wasting some space. Alright, I'm gonna add this as a suggestion. How about we print in a single line when the commit is not multi-line. I find this better because you're not wasting new lines for commits that are single line. What do you think? Needs a rebase on main and got a comment about. I left a comment about formatting the output. Live. Yes, I'm live. I'm also alive. How about you, my man, Cow? How are you doing, Cow? How's everything, my man Inek? All right. All right, let me take a look. I am dead. Was texting a person for a project and they said question mark. That sounds like a very deadly scenario. Doesn't GitClip fetch remote usernames once per committer name? Source code. Anyways, here's the log. Okay, let's see the log. Probably wrong number, maybe a foreign one. How did you text them, bro? Did you just send an SMS or something? Alright, a bunch of request stuff. Wait, this actually looks correct to me, and there's no errors as far as I can see. Also, why is it taking forever to load Codeberg? There are like no errors. I sent hello, I am XX, we're doing the project I'm supposed to my GitHub repo. Okay, finally. This worked. Your cab looks sick, thank you, man. Do you know where I got this? From the Turkish military. But you can also get it from my store. Just go to grindhouse.dev store and here go to I don't know, the grind, go to hacker hat, select camo. There you go. I should probably like I should probably order this one, to be honest. Yeah, there you go. Okay, let me actually type something here. No, the logic is fetch all commits, fetch all. Wait, what was the issue again? Wait, my camera is tweaking. I'm frozen now. Alright, I'm back. And associate the local data with the remote data. See update release metadata for more details. From the logs, I didn't see anything out of the ordinary. From the logs, I didn't see anything out of ordinary. Can you also share your configuration? Maybe it's in about if you're yeah. I don't know. I need to look into it a bit more. Unfortunately, I cannot just fix your issue magically, you know. My phone's language was English. Maybe it is because of that. What is because of that? Alright, let me see this one. Alright, initial tag. I can probably implement this very quickly. Let me just take a look. Let me actually go to the args and implement this, man. So that's the initial tag for the bump, or wait. What was the issue here again? Yeah, okay, let me just reproduce it. So the issue is when there's a single commit and no tag, when you do like Gearcliff bumped version, you get like 0, 1, 0 because that's the default. But this guy wants something else. So I was thinking if I override that with tag, yeah, I was thinking, yeah, I can just override that with tag. So bumped version. Is there any integration between bump and tag already? If no tags exist, bump will yield 0, 1, 0 as default. Initial tag. Wait, we're already setting that. Tag is some. Wait, what? Configure rest. Let me see that again. Initial tag. What is this line? Who changed this? View git blame. Support setting initial tag. Okay, I'm just gonna ask him. I just realized I see the yeah, I see the inconvenience. I just tested this again and realized version and tag could be used together. Yields the result from yields the value of tag when yields the value of tag when there isn't any tag exist yet. Isn't that the desired behavior? Is that a useful behavior for your case? Hey, I am late. Hello, 0x bytes. How are you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Is that an useful behavior for your case? Alright, there you go. I just want to make sure that I'm not implementing this for nothing, you know. Just want to like find workarounds first if possible, and if there's no workarounds we can go ahead and implement that. All right, there's one discussion that I want to check now. Why is this thing at the top? Is this pinned? Just gonna unpin this. I don't know why this was pinned. Maybe I just pinned this by mistake. I don't know. I don't remember. Oh yeah, this one, accepting remote URL. So the idea is just give it a remote URL for the config, and the config will just fetch it for you. So something like, you know, config cliff toml and row. I'm just gonna give the link to this and it will just download it for me. Let's see how easy that would be to implement. Do I already have a dependency on URL? Yeah, okay. So args config where's the config argument? It's a path buff. That's not great. What is parse dir here? What is this doing? It's for expanding it. But it's again returning a path buff. I think what I want here is that struct config value, or like enum config value path buff URL. And what was the name of the trait that I need to implement here? Enum something? Value enum, yeah. So something like this. Derive value enum. What's the issue? Unit variants, non-unit variants must be skipped. What you mean? Flat value enum. Oh, maybe. No, this is not what I want. Wait, let me just try. Config value. Doesn't implement debug. Okay, let me just implement debug on this. Debug. What? Everything just crashed. Oh my god. Club enum with value. Nope, this is not what I want. Okay, this parse there was actually working. Maybe I can work on this a little bit. Do something like this. And pull config value and parse. Yep. Config value, parse. Is that fine? Seems like it. And then what I'm going to try to do here is that basically if let OK URL parse there, then come on, Copilot. Yeah, something like this. Now I gotta fix all of these errors. Isn't this so great? Alright, let me just jump to the first one. Config path. By the way, do I have a HTTP client to fetch the actual thing? I think I have a dependency on request. No? Okay, I need a HTTP client now. I'm gonna move the one from here, request. This NailVim extension for fetching create versions is just so bad. Like, it's just giving me errors on top of errors. So I'm just gonna remove that actually. Give me a second. Create envim, remove that. Alright. I mean, what is this? I'm just gonna restart. Cargo Tomo.
The film you're about to see has no characters.
I'm gonna move this to the workspace.
It is a film to describe to you the effect of cymatic frequencies on matter.
I just move that over there. I'll move this over here too. Alright, how about now? Well, nothing has changed yet. But we're gonna implement it now. Show me the errors. Where are the errors? No errors, what? This is not possible. Something is really wrong with my Rust analyzer. Yeah, what the hell? Okay, there you go. So, 400. Network, thanks for the crab emojis.
Everything owes its existence solely and completely to sound.
It is just frozen now. My NailVim is just frozen. Come on. Oh, there you go. So config path. partial EQ. What is the issue now? Ars config clone. Okay, I gotta change this thing a bit. Basically need to match for the values. I don't know what we're listening to right now, to be honest. But anyways, there you go. All right. One down. Oh man, maybe I should have just added a new argument, because now I did that and oh my god. Yeah, I'm just gonna add a new argument. I don't like where this is going. Just undo everything. This is not great. So yeah, config URL. Let's do this, it's better. I heard cargo ships with lube and a plug. Is this true? Yes, it is true. I got it. I got mine. It's great. Yeah, no worries. It's gonna be a URL though. Optional.
Everything owes its existence solely and completely
All right.
to sound.
Now we have a new argument. Oh yeah, it's it has a conflict, so it should be only a long argument. I only like long arguments. There you go. Where's it? Config and config URL. Yes. And if it's set, we're gonna go ahead and where do we actually parse the config? It's before processing in repository, so it's up there somewhere. Yeah, let's mute config. There you go. So if let some URL args config URL. We're gonna do something like request. How do I use request again? It should be only like get or something. Yeah, there you go. Blocking is not found. I guess just enable blocking on request. Request blocking, not blocking. Yeah, there you go. Into URL is not implemented for URL. What do you mean? Okay, there you go. Let contents, and then we're gonna go ahead and config parse from string. All right, let's try it out. I'm gonna fetch some example config from examples and detailed raw remote config URL. Let's try it out. I'm gonna add some logging here. Log. I think that worked. Yeah, that worked. Let me try GitHub keep a changelog. Yeah, this actually works great for the latest release. Yep, I think it's working. Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish this up and create a PR later on, but it's good to know that's now ready. Let me actually see the changes. It's not much, it's like super simple actually. Nice. I'm satisfied with this. Alright, there you go, it worked. Okay, I'm gonna finish this later. I need to move this to this workspace, close this thing, close all of this, and yeah. All right, guys, my grind here is done actually. I gotta go and grind somewhere else. Okay. So yeah, I guess thanks for tuning in to this live stream. If you wanna also grind, join the Discord. It's in the link down below. If you wanna support a good cause, support my grind, just sponsor on GitHub. And you know how it is. Yep. I'm gonna check my emails. Okay. Netword, thanks for tuning in. 0x Bytes. Hello there, Inek and Lucas, Senor Galvin, Vitali, Coda Studio, and everyone else who lurked during the live stream. It was a good grind session, but I gotta go now, so take care and never stop the grind, okay? I'm out. Bye.